It felt cute. My delete later was a person. It would absolutely be me. Look at my skin. It looks like I have a filter on. Ain't no filter. Okay, so this is my skin literally 6 minutes ago. I have a call in 21 minutes. I needed to put on my face. I decided to try Naturium's Dew Glow Tinted Moisturizer SPF 50 plus. Yes, it's a mouthful. It's sunscreen designed to do more. See what they did there? Yeah, DEW. Adorbs. Okay, so this is the medium. Comes in 3 different tones. I also have deep. I tried deep in a previous video. You can go back and look. But today we're going to do medium. Now, neither one of these match my skin tone, but they absorb so beautifully and blend perfectly into my melanin. Okay, so watch. This is medium. You see it's light. And watch. Yes, I know. That would make a lot of us panic. I low-key panicked when I saw it on my skin immediately, and I just said, let me just see what happens as I'm applying it. Because it's formulated with organic chemical sunscreen filters, this is a broad spectrum SPF 50 plus. Will leave this really dewy, radiant finish with a sheer tint. Now, I don't know what a sheer tint is. I'm not a makeup girly. I'm a skincare girly. So I was still nervous right here. I said, let me put the cap back on because I don't know what's happening to me, but I know that niacinamide is in here. I know that there are some other essential organic chemical sunscreen filters that are going to be amazing, and we need our sunscreen throughout the entire year. So I said, let me use 2 hands and let me just really get it into my skin. What I love most about this sunscreen is that I can put it over my eyes. Did you hear that? There's no burning, no stinging, no watery eyes. I can rub it directly on and around my eyes without any issues. Naturium is a skincare brand. They are not a cosmetic brand, but they are certainly in their bag. This is a hybrid sunscreen formulation that allows for your skin to have this beautiful blur. You can still wear your makeup too, friend. It's mixable, customizable. Yes, honey, you can mix the tinted shade. But look at me. I look like a filter. Look at my skin. I know. It is mind-blowing. It has absorbed perfectly into my skin. It is completely sheer. I said, let me get my neck. Let me get my neck and make sure. Because it is baffling to me that A, they are so good at everything they put on the market. I said, let me just throw on a little liner. I don't know if you saw the video with Susan Yara where she used a little bit of brown lip liner with their Phyto Glow lip balms, which I love. I love the look of a little brown lip liner and a Phyto Glow lip balm. I use peach and watermelon together. That's my favorite like flavor and color combo. This is the peach. They smell delicious. They make your lips so smooth, so soft, so hydrated, completely nourished with this beautiful lacquered look. Not sticky, not greasy, just pure hydration and beauty. Like, it's giving aesthetic. It's giving this girl can't be real. She can't look like this in real life. And isn't that what we fight for every day? To look like AI? Yes, that's what we want. We want our skin to look like it is artificially done. No, friend, it doesn't have to be. Now, don't make fun of the way I put on my little eyeliner here. There's a little eyeliner. I'm not even putting on mascara because I don't have time. But friend, look at how cute the look came together with just a little bit of eyeliner, just some tinted sunscreen, and a lip liner and a Phyto Glow lip balm duo. Like babies. Look how sweet and demure. Honey, very mindful of the call I'm about to be on. I said, you know what? I want a little cheat because I have another little errand I need to run. And I want to be cute when I go outside. So this is one of my favorite products by Fenty Skin. Correction, Fenty Beauty. This is their Strawberry Pop Matchstick. I bought it a year ago. I love it. It's so pink, so cute. It gives you this really pretty like strawberry pop, like very well rested, youthful kind of look on your cheek. Again, I have no foundation on my skin. I have no concealer on my skin. I went barefaced straight to my sunscreen, this Dew Glow Tinted Moisturizer version, SPF 50 plus by Naturium. I did a little bit of lip liner. I did 2 Phyto Glow lip balms, one in peach, one in watermelon. I added this cheek and I feel flawless. I put a little bit of eyeliner on, no liquid eyeliner, no mascara, and I feel and look flawless. There is nothing like looking in the mirror and being happy with what you see. Try new things, friend. I would have never picked these up in the store because these skin tones don't match my skin complexion perfectly, but do you see how beautifully it blended out? Do you see how beautifully it attached to my melanin and radiated it with this warm golden glow? My skin is now protected. My skin is now hydrated. It is concealing these dark spots that I have on my skin that are post-acne scars. It has niacinamide that is going to treat them. I feel so beautiful. I want you to feel the same. If you're my skin tone, or maybe even a little bit lighter, medium is going to be perfect for you. If you're my skin tone, a little bit darker or a lot darker, the deep is going to be wonderful. You are going to want to grab these 4 products. Create your own summer flawless beauty look today. Toodles.